Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins for baby. Creating homemade muffins for your little one is a wonderful way to introduce new flavors and textures. We'll focus on making them soft and easy to eat, ensuring they are packed with nutrients. Remember, the goal is healthy and delicious, without any unnecessary additives. Let's get baking. When selecting ingredients, prioritize natural sweetness. Ripe bananas or unsweetened applesauce work perfectly to add flavor without extra sugar. Finely grated vegetables, such as carrots or zucchini, are excellent for sneaking in extra nutrients. For the liquid, you can use breast milk, formula, or a milk alternative, ensuring the muffins are suitable for your baby's dietary needs. The baking process is straightforward. First, combine your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined to avoid overmixing. Pour the batter into a mini muffin tin and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow them to cool completely before serving small, manageable pieces to your baby. Proper storage ensures your baby's muffins stay fresh and safe. You can keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual muffins for up to 3 months. Thaw them in the fridge or at room temperature before serving. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Always ensure the muffins are soft and easy for your baby to handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.